Hello everyone, I'm back to make our beautiful frozen peach banana ice cream, which is really safe for diabetics for a couple of reasons. We're utilizing coconut palm sugar, which has a very low glycemic index. And of course the glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a food rises your blood sugar levels. So according to Google, the index is 35 officially, rating it as low glycemic sugar. Also, the fact that it comes from the sap of a coconut palm contains less sucrose than most sugars, and in the form it takes longer to digest because it also contains a fiber called inulin, and this helps the body digest it and absorb it more slowly, which is really great for diabetics. In this particular recipe we're making, there's a total of 6 teaspoons of coconut sugar, which is 96 calories and 25.2 grams of carbohydrate. So 5 portions would mean you were getting 5 grams of carbohydrate. So I look forward to sharing this wonderful, delicious summertime or anytime treat with you. Stay tuned. All right, so we've got the banana and the peach together in the bowl, and we're just going to turn this dial up to approximately pressing for another few seconds. You can hear it change the motor as it's done. So now we remove this. And we're going to add the next ingredient. So instead of 120 grams of cream, I have actually halved this recipe all the way along. So I'm only adding 60 grams, and I just use a good half and half cream. You could use whipped cream. Oh, and we're going to scrape down the sides of this just so it gets all blended in. Oh, this is going to be delicious. Another variation I have done, which some of you may enjoy, is a peach balsamic added into this, and it comes out with a different flavor that is quite unique. And I think people really find it quite surprising how good it is. So we're going to turn that again and go for 40 seconds with the aid of a spatula, which is designed to help us get all the stuff off the side of the Thermomix. Again, if you were doing this in a blender, you would just stop it and do the scraping this way. And it's going to be a beautiful creamy dessert in a few more seconds. Okay, so my peaches are nicely crushed, and now I'm going to add a bit of frozen banana for the next few seconds and just get it in there and blend it all together. Get the scraping all the peach into the banana, and this just adds a really nice little, I don't know, a banana and peach is such a nice combination. Why not? So here we have our finished product, beautiful frozen peach banana ice cream, and I'm just going to scoop a delicious little taste into my cup. And you can still see it's got some chunks of both the peach and the banana in here, which kind of makes it a little treat to come across one of those. And let's have this little taster. That is refreshing, healthy, and low sugar peach banana ice cream.